Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've got data but you don't know how to turn it into visuals like charts and graphs, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to help you visualize your data quickly and easily. Now, here I have a data set that I'm going to use as a sample. It consists of different dates. We have dates on this section. Then we have the regions and the product that you're selling, the laptop, the smartphones, and all that, the unit sold, the unit price, and also the total revenue that you have. So I want to visualize this data. I can visualize this data in Excel as it is right here. But if I don't know anything and I want to visualize my data using ChatGPT, I will just open up my ChatGPT. Then I will go ahead and upload the Excel file. Remember, I am using ChatGPT 4, so this is the only model that you can use to visualize your data, and also because it's more advanced than the free version. So the free version will not do this. So you can go ahead and prompt it to uh, can you visualize the uploaded data. Yes, so we uploaded data into various various charts like that. Then you click enter. So ChatGPT will upload your data. Here is our data. As we can see, we had the date, the regions, the product, the unit sold. Let us use this scroll bar to see if we have all the information. You can also scroll down to make sure that this is your data that you imported, just to cross check and see if that is the data that you had. So first of all, ChatGPT has created a chart here, the total revenue by region. We have the total revenue by region. That's the first graph. Then you can go ahead and download it, or you can also click on it to see it will expand now, or you can just right click on it and copy the image directly and insert it into your graph. Then you can see here it has also created a nice graph that has the total revenue by product. Then here we have the units sold over time. We also have the revenue distribution, this one. So it has created the budgets, then another bar chart, then the line chart, and then the pie chart down here, as we can see. So you can prompt it to get more of this. And then at the same time, once it visualizes your data, remember this chart is downloadable, so you can just click here and then you download your chart, and then you can be able to see it, or put it in your write-up. If you're using Microsoft Word, you can just check your image to see if it's okay. Then you can even snip it. You can see you have the monitors, you have the laptop, the tablets, and the smartphone. It has created for you the percentage revenue distribution by product that you have. Then once you've done all that, you can even prompt it to also describe or interpret the data. So you can tell it to interpret the visuals to make sure that your work is well created. After now you've visualized your data, you can request it to interpret your visuals to have more understanding of what you've drawn. And if you also want to add another visual in your ChatGPT, you can just upload your data and then it visualizes your data. You can even go ahead and also request it to do more visualization to make sure it captures everything. Let's do more visualization for clarity or something. Priority based on the way you want your data to look like. So it can do more visualization. So you just copy the visualized diagrams, then put them into your, you can see here it has created this unity price distribution. There's a different graph here. You can see the scale, it's well drawn. You can even request it to remove the grid lines, so that you can even also request it to use different colors. It depends on how you want it. So here we have the box plot, we have the staggered bar chart, we have the heat map and all that. So this is the heat map. Then we also have the staggered bar and the box plot is here. So as you can see, ChatGPT can do that visualization for you very well without wasting time. Or if you don't know how to use Excel to draw these graphs, ChatGPT has got you covered on that. And so next time you start staring at raw data, you don't freeze up. Just ask ChatGPT from spreadsheets, spreadsheet tips to actual code. It makes visualization easier than ever. So if this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below which kind of data you want us to visualize next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.